Okay, so these A, B, C are the variables where A is the MSB, C is the LSB. So total number of variables n, which is equal to 3. Okay, suppose A, B and C, where A is the MSB, C is the LSB. Now number of selection line, okay, number of selection lines of the multiplexer should be n minus 1. Okay. So n is the number of variables in the given function. So here in this example it is 3. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So 2 should be the selection line of the multiplexer. And if 2 is the selection line of the multiplexer, then what is the order of the multiplexer?
4 plus 1.
4 cross 1, very good. So if the selection line has n, then the multiplexer input is 2 to the power n. So in this case we have a 2 selection line. So 2 selection line means 2 to the power 2, 4 input line should be there. So the order of the multiplexer should be 4 cross 1. This is our step 1 to choose the proper multiplexer order. Okay, how to choose the order? Just take the variable. So if the variable number is n, then n minus 1 should be the selection line. And once you know the selection line, then the input of the order of the multiplexer is very easy to find out. And this selection line should be the B and C, should not be A. A should not be used as the selection line. That means the MSB of the variable should not be selected as the selection line. Other two variables means B and C should be selected as the selection line of the multiplexer. Okay. So two selection line, the selection lines are B and C. Data line of the multiplexer should be A. Data line of the multiplexer should be the MSB of the given function, which is A. So order of the multiplexer is 4 cross 1. Okay. So just see or read this thing that you understand the 4 lines or not. Before you go any practical, before you go for the implementation of the given function, you need to understand the meaning of the 4 line. First find out the number of variables. If it is n, then n minus 1 should be the selection line. In this example, it is 2, and the selection line should be except the MSB of the variable. Here total 3 variables are there. Say it is A, B, C. So A is the MSB. So except A, the other two variables should be treated as the selection lines of the multiplexer, and A should be that MSB should be treated as the data line of the multiplexer. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the next step. This is called the implementation table, and means some fundamental things are required to understand this implementation table, because this implementation table, using the implementation table, we can design the multiplexer. We can design the function using the multiplexer. Now, can somebody tell me how many variables are there using the 3 variables? Means how many possible combinations are there using the 3 variables?
8.
8, sir.
8. Very good. Very good. So total 8 correct answer, or 0 to 7 is also the correct answer. Okay. So total 8 possible combinations are there. Oh, 1 minute, please. Okay, so total 8 minterms can be possible using these 3 variables. These are 0 to 7. Okay. Now,
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are connected, but ও আর কোনো কথা বলছে না।
Oh, আমি কেটে গেছি বোধহয়। Okay. So now the most fundamental things. Can somebody tell me that from 0 to 7 total 8 possible combinations are there? These possible combinations are 0 to 7. Now among these 0 to 7, if we consider A equal to 0,
স্যার
then
আপনার
how
কথাগুলো কেটে কেটে যাচ্ছে স্যার।
আচ্ছা দাঁড়া, তাহলে আবার একটু ওয়েট কর। এখন শুনতে পাচ্ছিস নাকি এখন
স্যার
কেটে
স্যার
যাচ্ছে?
আপনার ঠিক আছে স্যার, ওটা ওর প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। ওটা ওর প্রবলেম হচ্ছে।
আমরা ক্লিয়ার শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
ক্লিয়ার আছে।
আসছে তো এখন?
হ্যাঁ স্যার ক্লিয়ার আসছে।
Yes, sir. এখন আছে।
Okay.
That's a clear.
Now the most এবার খুব ভালো করে শুনুন। Now the most fundamental thing, total 8 possible combinations are there. These are 0 to 7. Okay. Now among the 0 to 7, how many minterms can be possible if A is treated as 0? 3 variables are there. আবার ভালো করে শুনুন। 3 variables are there, A, B and C. Among the 3 variables, if A is considered as 0, then how many minterms can be possible to form?
0, 1, 2, 3.
Very good, correct answer. 0, 1,
এটা বলবেন একবার বুঝতে পারলাম না।
আবার বলবো কোনো চিন্তা নেই। 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the minterms can be formed if A is taken as 0. আচ্ছা, what is the representation of 0?
স্যার আপনার কথাটা কেটে কেটে যাচ্ছে স্যার।
0 0 0
একজন বলছে কথা কেটে যাচ্ছে,
ওটা স্যার ওর প্রবলেম হচ্ছে,
ওটা ওর problem।
ওটা নেটের প্রবলেম, তুই লেফট করে একবার জয়েন হ না।
তা বলে দে না ওকে। আমি তো ভাবছি আমার কথা কেটে যাচ্ছে, বোঝা যায় না আমার কথা আসছে কি আসছে না।
ক্লিয়ার আছে।
Okay, so what is the representation of 0?
0 0 0
0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0. So in the to represent the 0, what is the value of A? Means the first value. What is the value of A to represent 0?
0
0
Very good. সবাই বুঝেছো? 0, 0, 0 means here it is 0, 0, 0 means 0. 0, 0, 0 means 0, and here you see that A is treated as 0. Now what is A? What is 1?
0 A 0
0 0 1
0 1
0, 0, 1. So
A is
here
0.
what is the value of A? A is also 0. What is the 2? What is 2?
0
is
1 1
0, 1, 0.
What is the value of A here?
0 sir.
Very good. And what is 3? Sorry, এটা হচ্ছে 0, 0, 0. What is 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So here you see that from 0, 1, 2, 3, all these minterms, A is considered as 0. The value of A is 0 in these 4 minterms. Understand now?
Yes sir, yes sir, got it.
Okay. Now tell me another thing. If so how many minterms can be possible using these 3 variables if the MSB is treated as 1?
4, 5, 6,
5
7.
6
4, and the values are, what are the minterms?
4, 5, 6, 7.
4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so you see that in 4 A is equal to 1, in 5 A is equal to also 1, in 6 A equal to 1, and in 7 A equal to 1. So that means total 4 minterms can be possible if A is considered as 1. These are the M4, M5, M6, M7, or simply 4, 5, 6, 7. And also 4 terms can be possible to form if A is considered as 0. So these are the 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's why first the implementation table looks like. Now, what is the order of the multiplexer? 4 cross 1, isn't?
Yes sir.
Okay. And if 4 cross 1 multiplexer are there, how many inputs are there?
4
4. So these are the input: I0, I1, I2, and I3. So these are the inputs of the multiplexer. Okay. And here you need to write the A, that means the data lines or the MSB of the variables in this way. First is the A bar, then A equal to 1. So A bar means A equal to 0, A means A equal to 1. So as I mentioned that if A equal to 0, then 4 minterms can be formed. These are 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's why the 0, 1, 2, 3 are written in the first row. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if A equal to 0 or A bar, then 0, 1, 2, 3 can be formed, and these 0, 1, 2, 3 should be written in the first row. And if A equal to 1 or simply A, then another 4 minterms can be possible. These are 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means 4, 5, 6, 7 are written in the second row. Understand?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Now just circle the minterms which is present in the expression. Just circle the minterms which is present in the expression. So what are the minterms present in the expression? M1. So 1 should be circled. This 1 should be circled, or it is already circled. So 1, then 3. So 3 is circled. Then 4 circled. 6 and 7s are circled, and the minterms which is not present in the expression, they should be left blank. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to this one. If the lower, just now we need to inspect the implementation table in column wise. There are total 4 columns. One is I0 column, like this one, I0 column. Second one is I1 column, then I2 column, and I3 column. So these 4 columns are there. We need to inspect each column separately. How? First we inspect the each columns, and here 2 elements are there. One is 0, another is 4. Which one is circled?
4.
4. This is the upper element, this is the lower element. So now which one is circled, upper one or lower one?
Lower one.
Lower one. So very good. So if the lower one is circled, and what is the lower one represents? A or A bar?
A.
A.
A. That means if the lower one only circled, then we should write A at the below. Okay. Come to this one, the second column, just inspect the I1. Here also 2 elements are there. One is the upper element, which is 1, and another is the lower element, which is 5. And here the upper one is circled, and upper one represents A bar. Upper one is represent A bar. That's why in this column, below this column, we should write A bar. Come to the third one, I2. If the here also see the lower one is circled, so if the lower one is circled, then A should be written in the at the bottom of the column, and if both are circled, then we should write a 1 at the bottom of the column. Understand this one? If the lower one is circled, if the lower one only circled, then we should write A. If the upper one element is only circled, we should write A bar. If both are circled, we should write 1. And if no elements are circled in a particular column, which is not present in this example obviously, then we should write a 0. Understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then just here you see the I0 means I0 value is how much? I0 value is now A. I1 value is how much? I1 value is A bar. I2 equal to A, and I3 equal to 1. So now implement the circuit, take one 4x1 multiplexer, and here just take the block diagram of the multiplexer. One box and 0, 1, 2, 3 means this is nothing but the input 0, input 1, input 2, input 3. 2 selection lines are there, S1, S2. Which one is the MSB of the selection line? Among the S0 and S1, which one is the MSB of the selection line?
S1.
S1.
S1, very good. So B should be written as S1. Okay. B should be written as S1 and C should be connected to S0. Don't interchange this one. Students have done the common mistake that after implementing every means the correct implementation table in the drawing, they just interchange the B and C. B connected to S0, C connected to S1. The whole thing should be erroneous then. Okay. Marks will be reduced drastically for this one. Means you don't have the concept how to connect this one. So B should be B. These ABCs are there. 3 variables are there. These are the ABC. Okay. So this one is the MSB of the among the variables. So this one is should be treated as the data line. Remaining 2 variables are
B and C.
B and C. So among the B and C, which one is the MSB?
B
Among the-
MSB.
B is the MSB compared to C. Okay, so that means B should be connected. B should be connected to the MSB of the selection line S1. Don't mistake this field. Don't interchange. B should be connected means the next MSB of the variable should be connected to the MSB of the selection lines. And the LSB should be connected to the LSB of the selection lines. If you interchange this one, then the whole drawing is the erroneous drawing. Okay, so B should be connected to S1, C should be connected to S0. Now check. This is equal to I0. So I0, which one is connected to I0? A. So just connect A directly to the I0. Then I1 is A bar is connected. 1 minute. So A bar means A bar is connected to I1. Then I2, A is connected to I2, and I3, it's connected to 1. So this is our drawing. Okay, this is called the implementation of the given function using the suitable multiplexer. Don't worry, we will do some examples in the next slides. But anybody have any problem to understand this, how to implement the function using the multiplexer?
ইয়েস স্যার, বলছি ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন টেবিলে
Yeah.
4 1 ওগুলো কি হিসাবে সার্কেল করা হলো সেটা একবার রিপিট।
Oh, this one. If the minterm is 1 minute. If the function is present in the expression, that should be circle. If the function is not present in the expression, then there should be left blank.
ও ওকে।
Okay, now you see, you can check, you can understand every line which is written here. So many theories are written here, but you can understand everything. First, check the number of variables, suppose n. So in the given means in this example, the variables and numbers is equal to 3. Okay. The least means except the MSB, the least n-1 variables are the selection lines of the multiplexer. That means in the example we consider B and C should be our selection lines of the multiplexer. The remaining single variable MSB, that means A, okay, of the function is used for the data input of the multiplexer. Data input means which is connected to the input of the multiplexer. Okay, data input is connected and A is treated as the data input of the multiplexer. Make the implementation table. It is the list of input of the multiplexer, and under them list all the minterms. Okay, so we list from 0 to 8, 0 to 7 minterms in 2 rows. The first row contains all those minterms where the input variables are complemented. Means the first row where it is A is complemented, so we need to list all the minterms where A is complemented, and the second row contains all the minterms where the input variables are uncomplemented. Okay, so second row contains all the minterms where A equal to 1. The minterms given in the function are circled, and then inspect each column separately. Understand every word, meanings of the every word. বোঝা গেছে তো সব? We need to create the implementation table. এবার দেখো, if both minterms in a column are not circled, okay, যেটা আমাদের ওখানে আসেনি, so we should not face this kind of situation in the given example. If both minterms in a particular columns are not circled, apply a 0 to the corresponding input. If both are circled, we have this situation. So if both are circled, then apply 1 to the corresponding input. Upper one circle means apply the first row input variable complemented from, means A bar. Okay, if the upper one is circled, we should connect it to A bar, and upper one uncircled but the lower one is circled, apply the second row, means apply the second row input variable A. So understand this one? বোঝা গেছে?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now do the next one, and in this next one we can I'm able to show this thing in the circuit maker because we have already designed this one. So implement the following function using 8x1 multiplexer. Now if this 8x1 multiplexer is not given in the question, or instead of 8x1 if it is suitable multiplexer, then how to find out the order of the multiplexer? Somebody please tell me.
Sir, we will check the min term highest কতটা আছে তো 15.
Very good. So here 15 and 15
4 variable or 4.
Very good.
Yes,
So four variables are required to represent 15.
required to represent 15. Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, তারপর কি হবে তাহলে?
2 to the power n মানে 8 ইনপুট হবে
4
Very
minus
good. So
3
8
n minus 1 number.
Very good. So four variables. N equal to 4 here. So number of selection line should be n minus 1 or 3. Okay. Very good. So solution. 1 minute. Let me clear the slide first. So total number of variables 4. Suppose ABCD. If it is given ABCD or WXYZ whatever, then take this one. Otherwise, you can take whatever is the variable. So suppose A is the MSB, B, C, D is the LSB. So number of selection line n minus 1. That means 3. And which are the variables we consider as the selection line? ABC or BCD?
So BCD, sir.
Very good, because A is the MSB, A should be considered as the data line of the multiplexer. A should not be connected to any selection line. The rest of the variable, that means B, C, D should be connected to the selection line of the multiplexer. And suppose, now let me check if 3 selection lines are there, because 8x1 multiplexer, so total selection line should be 3. Total 3 selection lines are there, S0, S1, S2. So which one is connected among the B, C, D? Which one is connected to which selection line?
Sir, B to
S2
S.
তে D আর C তে S1 আর D তে S0
S0.
Very good. So B should be connected to S2, C should be connected to S1, and D should be connected to S0. If you done any mistake, if you do any mistake in this connection, then the whole process is erroneous. Remember this thing very carefully. The MSB, the next MSB, that means B should be connected to the MSB of the selection line, C should be connected to the next one, and D should be connected to the S0, that means the LSB of the selection line. Don't do any mistake in this particular field. This is very important. Now implementation table. So among the 15 variables, means among the 16 variables 0 to 15, total 8 variables are there, 0 to 7, which represent A equal to 1, A equal to 0. So that means first A bar means 0 to 7 should be listed in the first row, and among the 16 variable 8 to 15 represent A equal to 1. So that means in case of A, in the second row we should list,
কেন
take very good. So 13 should be circled. ভুল করেছি আর কি করব। Okay, so now after listing all the min terms, we need to circle them. Circle them very easy. If the min term is present in the expression, then we have to circle it. So 0 is present, we should circle 0, then 2, then 4, then 6 should be there. So 6 should be circled, very good. Then 7, then 12, 13, 15. So 12, 13, 15. So circling is very easy. Now you need to inspect each column separately. So this is the total 8 columns are there, I0 to I7. First inspect the I0. Which one is circle, upper or lower?
Upper, sir.
Upper hole ki likhbo, A bar or A? A bar. Very good. Because you see the upper one means it's represent A bar. Next I1, nothing is circled. So if nothing is circled, then which things we need to write?
0, sir.
0. So that's why 0 is written here. Then I2 upper one is also circled, so A bar. Then I3, nothing is circled, we need to write 0. Come to I4, we see that both the elements are circled in this particular column, and if both the elements are circled in a particular column, we should write a 1 here.
1. Yes,
Then I5 lower one is circled, so we should write A bar. Okay, so that is actually the wrong implementation. Okay, sorry, A. So that is actually the wrong implementation, David. I should check. I should means correct it in my notes also. That should be A, and that should be A bar. That should be A bar. 0 should not be there. And here both are circles, so it should be 1. Okay. Then according to the implementation, once you complete the implementation, David, the rest of the things are very easy. So here you see this is equal to the block diagram of 8x1 multiplexer. Total 8 inputs are there, I0 to I7. Here you connect B equal to S2, C equal to S1, D equal to S0. Then according to the implementation table, we need to connect it properly. Okay. So that means A bar should be connected first. I0 should be connected to A bar. So I0 is connected to A bar. Similarly, I1 is connected to 0. So I1 is connected to 0. Then I2 is connected to what? I2 is connected to A bar also. So you just short circuit this line. So I2 is also connected to A bar. Then I3 is connected to 0. So I3, it is connected to 0. It is also short circuited from the 0 line. Then some mistake is also there. Then I4 is connected to 1. I4 already connected to 1 from this particular one. 1 means a logic one. I5 is connected to A. I5 is connected to A. So I5 should be connected to A. That is the wrong connection. So I5 should be connected to A. Okay. Oh, sorry. We need to put a NOT gate here. This is actually the A bar. That should be connected to A. Similarly, I6 is connected to A bar, I think. I should be A bar, and I7 is connected to 1. Okay. So, do I simulate this one in the circuit maker?
স্যার এখানে আরেক এ বার আছে স্যার, 0 আছে, 1 আছে স্যার, আমরা এখানে এও তো ধরতে পারতাম স্যার।
A?
স্যার বলছি
A is there. A is there.
হ্যাঁ স্যার ওই যে স্যার সার্কিট ডায়াগ্রামটা স্যার যেটা আপনি দেখালেন স্যার ওখানে স্যার।
এ কোনটা ধরবে বলো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার এখানে এ একটা আলাদা টার্মিনাল তো আমরা নিতেই পারতাম স্যার।
হ্যাঁ এ তো নেবই আমরা, এখানে তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা রং কানেকশন, দিস ইজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি দ্য রং কানেকশন। ওকে, সো
Actually,
এ
data
should be,
selection
ওকে স্যার ওকে।
A should be there where it is connected A. We just need to give the A. Suppose I0 is connected to A, so just connect it to I0. The I2 is I1 is connected to A, but then put a NOT gate and connect it to the I1 like this, in this way.
স্যার বলছিলাম স্যার এটা তো আমাদের অ্যাকর্ডিং টু নিড আমরা সিলেক্ট করব, যদি আমাদের কোনো এ এর সাথে কানেকশন না থাকে তাহলে তো এ নেওয়ার কোনো দরকার নেই।
No দরকার নেই, but sometimes A should be there. Otherwise, if the function is there, so A should be there. Okay, either in A or in A bar, but this term A should be there.
ওকে ওকে
Okay, so if I just means if I simulate that one, I think it will be more helpful for you, because that is required. Oh, that thing is very much required. That implementation of this function is very much required after this one. So it takes hardly only 5 minutes to simulate that one. Okay, so that IC 74151 is the 8x1 multiplexer. So first we need to place one IC 74151. So here digital by number is there, and in this digital by number 745XX series should be the, sorry, 74 series should be there. Where is the 74 series? And 74151. Where is the multiplexer? 74151. This is the multiplexer. So we place the multiplexer here. Let me zoom this thing. Okay, this is the multiplexer. Oh, sorry. Okay, then what are the other things we required? We just required some switches, some logic switch. These are the, I think it's there in my, 1 minute please. Is it that design? Okay, can somebody please tell me that number means this one? Somebody please write it down. You have to লিখে নাও I0 equal to A bar. Are you
হ্যাঁ স্যার
listening?
লেখা হয়ে গেছে, হ্যাঁ হয়ে গেছে।
According to the correct one, not the old one, correct one. I5 equal to A, I6 equal to A bar, I7 equal to 1.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. And very quickly just tell me this one. I0 equal to how much?
এবার
এইবার
1 minute. I0 equal to A bar. Okay, 1 minute. I just need to delete all this first. I0 equal to A bar. Okay, then
I1 equal to 0.
জিরো স্যার
I1 equal to 0.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
I1 equal to 0. Then
এবার
I2 again এবার।
I2 is also A bar.
yes sir
I3.
জিরো
0
I3 is 0. So this is our 0 line. I3 is 0. Then I4.
I4 1
1 sir, 1.
I4 is connected to 1. Then I5.
I5A.
I5 is A, okay. I5 is A. Then I6.
A bar.
I6 is A bar. Sorry. I6 should be A bar. And I7?
1 sir.
1. So now that one is complete. The enables are there. These are the connected. You see the B is connected to S2, C is connected to S1, and D is connected to S0, and this is the enable. And here we need to give a active low enable input. Okay. So enable should be 0. Now somebody please write the function, or somebody please memorize the function 0246. Just write the number 0246 7 12 13 15. What's the lekha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let's check this one. Now I give the variable combinations are starting from 0 to 15. So first we need to give a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, is 0 is present in the minterm? Means in the expression.
Yes sir.
0 is, so 0
Yes.
is present. That's why the bulb is, that's why the LED, the output is glowing. Okay. Then I give the 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. D is the LSB, so I give the 1. 1 is present.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So that's why the output is not glowing. Then I give 2. 2 present.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it's
sir.
glowing. Now I give 3. 3, I think it's not present, so that's why it's not glowing. After 3, I give 4. 4 means 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is 4, and I think 4 should be present in the expression. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I
sir,
give
yes, sir.
5. 5 should not be there, so output is not glowing. After 5, I give 6. 6
is
should
there,
be present.
Yes,
6 is
sir.
there. Then 7. 7 should be there.
Yes,
Then I
sir,
give
7 is
8.
there.
8 means 1, 0, 0, 0. So I give 8. So 8 should not be there. So the bulb is not glowing. Then I give 9. So 9 should not be there also. Then I give 10. 10 should not be there. Then I give 11. 11 also not there. So bulb is not glowing. Then I give 12. 1, 1, 0, 0. So 12 should be there
Yes,
because
sir.
the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
light is glowing. Then I give 13. 13 is also there because light is glowing. Then I give 14. 14 is not there, so the output is not glowing. And at last I give 15. So 15 should be there in the expression. So that means you see that the min terms or the combination which is present in the given function, in this given function, so output is glowing only at this given function. Output is not glowing at the other, means 1, 3, 5, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11. So output is not glowing in that combinations. Output is only glowing if the if the expression is present in the expression, if the minterm is present in the expression. Got it? So this is called the Boolean function implementation using the multiplexer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So just take some break, 15-minute break, and I will come back, and in the next class we will do another very important, means very interesting thing, which is called the BCD to 7 segment decoder. Okay, like this one. So how many see this type of decoder, means this type of display? So I think your calculator using this display. Okay, this is called a 7 segment display. So next class
স্যার
we will
রেলে ঘড়িতে থাকে না
সব রিলেট ঘড়িতে থাকে, অনেক জায়গায় থাকে, যে কোনো ডিজিটাল ডিসপ্লেতে this will be used. This is actually using in the digital display. So we will understand how to display the defined number from 0 to 9 in this 7 segment and how to decode that one in the next class. Okay, after 15 minutes. So should I take a break? Break nebo ki benbo na?
দিন স্যার।
স্যার কন্টিনিউ করে দিন।
এই আবার একজন বলে
না স্যার ব্রেক
continue
দিন স্যার ব্রেক দিন
একটা ব্রেক দিন স্যার ছোট।
ঠিক আছে, একটা ব্রেকই দিচ্ছি, ছোট মানে 15 মিনিট ব্রেক দিচ্ছি। আচ্ছা, যারা যারা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিয়েছো তারা এখন লিভ করতে পারো। উইল স্টার্ট এট এক্স্যাক্টলি 5:45। যারা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দাওনি তারা অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দিয়ে 15 মিনিট ঘুরে এসো। কেউ আছো অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স দাওনি?
23 একবার দেখবেন।
আত্তারি বলছি আস্তে আস্তে 23 শুনলাম শুধু, তারপর
রোল 16 একবার দেখবেন। ঠিক আছে
Roll
স্যার
16 present.
Sir,
Next.
38.
22
32 is also present. 32 only.
38.
Oh, 38. 38 present. Then 20 কত বললি?
22
22.
sir 22
22 আচ্ছা। Next.
স্যার L11 দেখুন স্যার একটু নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল স্যার।
L11 present.
41
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
31. 41. ফার্স্ট ক্লাস নাকি আজকে? Next. Roll number 2, roll number 11, roll number 13, 14. Then
Sir, roll number 48.
48, okay. 19, 20, 26, 28, 36, 44, 47, roll number Jeet আজকে আসিস নি? Then L6 and L8. Okay, so we'll come back at 5:45, okay?